Hello everyone, welcome to official YouTube channel of SM Education Services. Candidates, PG candidates belonging to Bihar and other state who were interested in getting admission into the private or government medical colleges in Bihar, we are waiting for the notification for Bihar state. So the date is has come for the notification. You can see right now on the screen the official notification for the postgraduate medical admission counseling. Okay, so in this video we are going to talk about all the important things like the important dates, the amount of registration fee, counseling fee, and the government and private colleges for your PG courses, MSMD, dental, and all these courses. Okay, so let's start and directly jump to the important dates. So you can see on the bottom, you can find the important dates. So online registration will be starting from tomorrow, 18th of April 2020, and it will go on until 28th of April. So you have 10 days of time. That is huge duration for online registration. But I would suggest you to do the registration as soon as possible so that you don't find any kind of hiccup last moment. And last date of payment through challan, there are two modes of payment of the counseling fee, one through bank challan and other through net banking, debit card, credit card. Okay, so you can do the payment by 29th of April. So they have given one more day of time for payment. And if you want to do the payment through net banking, debit card or credit card, then it can be done until 30th of April by midnight, before 12 o'clock in the night. Okay, and there is option provided by the board to edit the online application form. Suppose you come to know later point of time you have done any kind of mistake or you want to change the things what you filled in the application form, you can change. So there is an online option for editing that can be done from 1st of May to 2nd of May. So there is one day of time for online editing. Then they are going to publish the rank list, merit list, that will be done on 4th of May. So this is the all dates, important dates. Now we will be coming to how much you have to pay. So you can see on the top there is counseling fee of rupees 2200. You can see in the 6th step C number, counseling fee to be paid through above modes is rupees 2200 only for all categories, for unreserved SC, ST, EBC, BC and DQ categories. So for all categories it's going to be the same amount to be paid for counseling fee. Okay, and you can see there are so many steps given here. So that's very good document I can see, and it gives you each and every details step by step. Step 1 registration, step 2 personal information, step 3 you need to upload your photo and signature. So everything is going to be online. And step 4 education information, preview your application to see all the information you have done, have filled is correct or not. Step 6 payment of counseling fee. Then step 7 download part A and part B. Okay, so these things I'm not going to read out for you now, you can read it out, and if you have any doubt you can ask us. Now we'll go ahead to the top of the this document and we'll talk about what are the government colleges and private colleges. So talking about government medical colleges for MSMD diploma courses, Patna Medical College, that is PMCH, one of the largest hospital and medical college. Darbhanga Medical College, Nalanda Medical College, that is NMCH, that's also in Patna. ANM Medical College in Gaya, JLNMC in Bhagalpur, SKMC Muzaffarpur, IGIMS Medical College, Patna. So these are the medical colleges for MSMD and diploma courses. Now coming to the private college, there are 3 private colleges. So it's very important for the candidates coming from other states, because Bihar is open state. It means candidates from other state can also take part in the counseling for PG courses. So there are 3 private medical colleges: KMC Katihar, Narayan Medical College, that is in Sasaram, and MGM MC Kishanganj. Katihar Katihar, Sasaram and Kishanganj. There are 3 medical colleges. So any student belonging to any state, they are eligible to take part in the counseling for these private colleges. Okay, so there are MDS course for government in government dental colleges that you can read it out. So anytime if you feel, okay, you have any doubt regarding this notification from Bihar state counseling, you can call us on the number given in the description, and you can ask us for, if you have not planned how you want to go ahead with your counseling process, you can call our counselor, and you can get our guidance. We also provide paid services, and in that we do provide the support until you get this allotment letter. So you can call us for that as well. So we can help you out in the best way to get the best result out of your all the possibilities. Okay, so this is pretty much I wanted to share with you in this video. So like the video and subscribe to the channel, click on the bell button so that you can get notification about other upcoming states counseling and seat matrix and all such things. Thanks for watching. Bye.